how to change your Shopify URL. That's what are we going to talk right now. Now, if you find this video helpful, please leave a comment down below or write any thoughts that you have in your mind. This tutorial is really quick and easy. By the way, if you like to have your first 3 months in Shopify for just only $1, you can actually just click the link down in the description and bring you over here to this page right here. So it says that starts for free, then enjoy $1 per month for first 3 months. So going back here in the Shopify, so basically URL is your domain name. So to change your domain name or your URL, you just need simply click the settings and you will be directed here in the store details. And you can see your domain name or your URL up right here. And if you want to change that, you just need to go right down here in the domain. So here in the domain, you can basically change your domain name only once. So mine, in my case, I already changed mine. So if you want to change your domain name or your URL, you will see a blue color right down here, which is saying that get your domain name changed. So you just click it, then you will be directed to change domain name. And basically, you just need to type whatever domain name or your URL you want. Mine, I have my only free trial here in Shopify, so you cannot change the domain name which is ended with .myshopify.com. If you want to buy a new domain name, which is you can change it with your own, you can just buy it to other website, or you can just use this free domain name as you are just like starting only. So yeah, that's it. That's how you change your URL in Shopify. Hope you find this video helpful. If you like it, just subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.